Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to hide our short string. Now whenever I make a knot, which we did make a knot for this, I like to bead away from the knot for at least like 6 beads so that I don't have to worry about the knot coming undone because I cut my string too close to it. So you can pretty much go in any direction you want, just go about 5 or 6 beads, so that's 1, and then I'm going to go around the center here, and that's 2, oops, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then all you need to do is take whatever cutter you have for your string and then just clip off the excess, and that will take care of the short string, and all you'll have left until you need a new string is your working string. Happy beading!